Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MindCast English, where learning English feels easy and fun. I am Zara.
And I'm Arlo. Hello, Zara, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. How are you today, Zara?
I'm doing great, Arlo. The sun is shining. I had a yummy breakfast, and I'm feeling happy and ready. How about you?
I'm good too. A little sleepy maybe, but a good cup of coffee always fixes that.
Yes, it does. And speaking of coffee, that is exactly our topic today.
Yes! Today's topic is real English at the coffee shop. Super useful English you can use in real life.
This is perfect for beginners, for travelers, or anyone who wants to sound more natural.
Before we start, we have a small request for all of you.
Yes, please subscribe to MindCast English if you haven't already.
And please give this episode a big like. It helps the channel grow.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English. Sharing is so helpful.
All right, Sarah, let's begin. When you enter a coffee shop, what is usually the first thing you hear?
Usually a greeting, something like, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
Very simple and very friendly.
Yes. And what is a polite way to respond?
You can say, hello, or hi there. Then you can say, yes, please, I'd like a...
Perfect. Let's practice with a simple role play. I'm the barista. Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hello, yes, please, I'd like a coffee.
Good. Now let's make it more realistic because there are many types of coffee.
Yes. You can say, I'd like a small coffee. I'd like a medium latte. I'd like a large cappuccino.
And there are different kinds of coffee. Coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso, mocha.
And hot or cold.
Yes, hot latte, iced coffee.
Let's practice again. Zara is the barista.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium hot latte, please.
Nice, very clear. Many coffee shops also have snacks, muffins, cookies, croissants.
Yes, you can say, can I also have a muffin? Or do you have any cookies?
Let's practice a full order. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a large iced coffee, please, and a chocolate chip cookie.
Perfect. Clear and polite. Now, the barista will tell you the price.
They might say, that will be $5.50, please, or your total is $8.
And you can answer, "I'll pay with cash." Or, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Can I pay with my phone?"
Let's practice. That will be $7.25, please.
"Can I pay by card, please?"
Of course. Here you go.
Many learners also need to ask questions. For example, "Excuse me, where is the restroom? Do you have Wi-Fi? Is there free Wi-Fi here? What's the Wi-Fi password?"
Very useful.
You can also ask, "Are there any tables available?"
And the barista might ask you for here or to go.
Then you answer, "For here, please," or "To go, please."
Let's do a simple one. I'll ask.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a small cappuccino.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect.
Many people want special drinks.
Yes, you can say, "Can I have extra milk? Can I have no sugar? Can I have sugar on the side?"
And for alternative milk, you can ask, do you have almond milk? Do you have oat milk?
Let's do a big long, realistic role play. This will help all our listeners practice real coffee shop English.
Yes, I'm the customer this time.
Great. I'm the barista. Welcome to MindCast Coffee. What can I get for you today?
Hello. I'd like a large iced coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it with regular milk or oat milk?
Let me think. Oat milk, please.
Great. Would you like any sugar?
No sugar, please.
All right. Anything to eat today?
Yes, please. Do you have blueberry muffins?
Yes, we do. We just baked them this morning.
Perfect. I'll take one.
Wonderful. So that's a large iced coffee with oat milk and one blueberry muffin. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Your total is $9.50.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, just tap here.
There you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Many learners make the mistake of saying, I want a coffee.
Yes, it sounds a little direct.
It's better to say, I'd like, or can I have?
Very polite and natural.
Another mistake is not answering for here or to go.
Yes, people freeze, but it's simple. For here or to go.
Could you repeat that, please?
Can you speak a little slower, please?
What do you recommend?
Do you have any seasonal drinks?
Is this sweet?
Can I have more napkins?
Very useful. Let's do another long role play. This one includes small talk.
Great. I'm the barista again. Hi, welcome in. How's your day going?
It's going well, thank you. A bit busy, but good.
I understand. What can I get started for you?
I'd like a medium hot latte, please.
Sure. Any sugar?
Just one sugar, please.
Got it. Would you like anything to eat?
Do you have croissants?
Yes, butter croissants and chocolate croissants.
Let me think. I'll take a chocolate croissant, please.
Great choice. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total is $6.80.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, here's your change.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It'll be ready in a moment.
Zara, what if the customer wants to try something new?
They can ask, "What's popular today?" Or, "What do you recommend?"
Yes, very natural. And many coffee shops have special drinks. You can ask, do you have any seasonal drinks?
Like pumpkin spice latte in the fall.
Yes, exactly. Remember, don't be afraid. Everyone makes mistakes.
And coffee shop staff are usually friendly. They understand English learners.
Speak slowly, smile, and say please and thank you.
Yes, politeness makes everything easier.
Wow, Zara, we covered so much today.
Yes, greetings, ordering, sizes, customization, questions, paying, and long practice dialogues.
We hope all of you feel more confident now.
Before we go, please subscribe to MindCast English
And give this episode a big like.
and comment below. What is your favorite coffee drink? Hot or iced?
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for spending time with us.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep learning with MindCast English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.